What's up people, it's Veldema and as you may see, I moved. That's right, with my girlfriend we went from a 1-bedroom apartment to a 2-bedroom apartment. And with my channel growing way faster than I was ever anticipating, subscribe by the way, we are going to transform this second room into a personal studio. And I said personal studio, not professional studio, because I'm not a professional at all, and I don't even know what I'm doing. But it sure as hell is gonna be fun. This is going to be a series of videos. I don't really know how many videos I'm going to make, but we are going to transform this place into the ultimate studio. And as you may be used to on this channel, we are going to try to do this on a budget. The budget is not really known yet. We don't have really a price on the studio that we want to do because we also want to be creative and we want to try things. And having a budget right away, starting from scratch, is not gonna help at all to be creative. Now that you have some context, let me show you around. Oh, and by the way, don't even start in the comment section. I see you. Yes, it's a mess, but the goal is to clean everything and to make a studio. Not to have the bedroom already cleaned up and tidy and everything so that, oh yes, we moved and everything is clean. No, it does not really happen like that. When you start from scratch, you start from scratch and nothing is faked here. With that said, let's go. The first thing you're going to notice right away, and you probably noticed already, is the creeper right here. That means that this is the studio part of the bedroom. Here, the goal is to be able to have a really big screen, the 2 speakers on the side, and my computer where it can go. Also, there needs to be a place for my laptop to go, because that's where I'm doing all my music production. This desk is a sit and stand desk, so it has to be able to move. So you know that's gonna be a challenge. Next to the left, we have the guest area. For now, it's just something. So the goal here is just to leave this as it is. It's a beautiful sofa. And the goal is just to invite guests so that they can sit here comfortably when they come over. In this corner, this is where the magic is gonna happen. The music is gonna happen. The goal here is to have a desk with my CDJs and my DJM setup. We will also throw some lighting here to add some flair to my DJ sets. I also have some other ideas, like putting a big screen, a big TV-like screen on the front of the desk to add some visuals, and maybe a projector as a background. As you can see, we have way more space than before. That means that we will be creative on what we install, what we do, and what we put on the walls. Speaking of things to do on the walls, I don't really know if you can hear it, but the sound quality here is a mess. There is a lot of reverberation. Reverb? Yeah, let's stick to reverb. There is a lot of reverb in this room because there is absolutely nothing in this room except a desk, a sofa, and some really empty walls. We'll also try to do some soundproofing because anyone can hear me through the door, for example, so I cannot imagine what it's going to be when there will be music playing. This place is also going to be a recording studio, so the audio has to be amazing. So sound treatment is a must, and as usual, we're gonna do it DIY. But we're not really here yet, so let's start this series officially by cleaning this mess. Would you look at all of this place? It really feels like another room, doesn't it? Yeah, I'm pretty proud of it. So, first of all, our business is done. Cleaning the room and putting everything in boxes. Some stuff still here, but it's gonna be fine. Second order of business. Now what I have to do is clean my desk. You may not be able to see it, but it's a mess. Oh, it really looks like a YouTube video from like 2012, which is 13 years ago. Whatever. Yeah. The state of my desk actually may sound and may look really okay, I'd say. But it's a complete cable mess, so let's cable manage all of this before going further. And that's the end of this video. Now that we have an organized desk and a place to put a DJ booth, what's next? This series of video is going to be really weird for me because this is the first time I'm doing vlog style videos, and my hope is that it only gets better from here. We have a plan, now let's execute it. First, the screen. Next, the desk and the DJ booth with maybe the background. Then it's gonna be soundproofing, or at least sound treating the room. And there is a lot of work to do. There is also the lighting. Yep, that's some IKEA stuff that I put myself together with zip ties, some welding. So yeah, we'll need some professional lighting in here, but everything is going to be on a budget as cheaply as possible so that at home or in your apartment, wherever you are, you can reproduce what I am doing right now. That's the main goal. The goal is to inspire you to do the same at your house or at your apartment, in your room, in your dorm room, wherever you are. By following this series of video, you'll be able to make yourself a really nice place. So don't miss out on any of those videos that I'm going to make by subscribing on this channel. I'm going to be releasing videos as the project goes on, so I don't really have a schedule. That's why you really need to get subscribed and to click the bell so that you get notifications. But you can also follow me on my Instagram to have some day-to-day or week-to-week updates. So if you like this video, once again, please subscribe to this channel. It has been growing like crazy. I've started at 0 subscribers at the beginning of the year and I'm already at almost 10,000. So catch the train, don't miss out on any of these projects because I know it's gonna be great and it can inspire a lot of people to do the same, and that's the goal. Thanks for watching. Once again, get subscribed, get notifications, hit like, and also you can comment what you want me to do in this studio. And if you're a brand, don't hesitate to contact me at this email address. Maybe we can partner to do something cool. See you in the next one. What's up people, it's Veldema, and today